Caesar salad is great, but traditionally made with oil, egg, cheese, and anchovies.
Caesar salad. Too brute? Nope.
Not exactly vegan. No fear.
No fear.
No fear.
This recipe is oil-free, egg-free, dairy-free, fish-free, totally plant-based, and delicious. Welcome back to Comfort Food Farms, the plant-based home cooking channel. If this is your first time, I'm Kari Gregor. I'm glad you've joined us. Let's get into it.
Eeny, meeny, meechy. I came, I saw, I conquered.
To make this Caesar salad dressing, you will need plant-based mayo. There's a link in the card above and in the description below to the plant-based mayo that we made and canned a few videos ago. The mayo that we made was oil-free, so very low in fat. Put in 1 cup of the mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and half a teaspoon of capers. Capers? What are capers?
I was under the impression that patrol officers were always in on the big capers.
Ah, pickled flower buds. Vegan. These are what the capers look like. Little pickled flower buds. So half a teaspoon of capers. This is the brand that I have purchased. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. 4 teaspoons of nutritional yeast. 2 teaspoons of sugar. That, of course, is optional. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of ground mustard. 1/4 teaspoon of Kala Namak black salt. Half a teaspoon of salt, optional. And half a teaspoon of kelp granules, a type of seaweed.
Well, I hope you like this. It's fresh sea urchin wrapped in seaweed, or nori, if you prefer. I love sushi.
This is a brand of kelp granules that you can purchase.
The seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake.
And this is Indian black Kala Namak salt. You can find product links in the description below. I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of water. It just needs a little bit of water to thin. This sauce or salad dressing is really to preference. There are no rules as to the amounts. I think it tastes fantastic as a Caesar dressing, but if you have removed all the salt and sugar from your diet, you will have to make some adjustments. Eliminate the salt and sugar.
I can't have salt either.
Ain't no salt in there.
Add small amounts back in, if you want to, until it tastes right to you. Remember, when you make it yourself, you have total control over the fat, salt, and sugar. Is that good information? Give me a thumbs up below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you know when another video is posted. Take it to the blender and blend it until the capers are really well smashed up, pulverized really. Should take only a couple of minutes. There, you can see how the capers have been disintegrated. It does look like Caesar salad dressing. This is a bottle that I purchased. I think I just got them at Walmart, but I know you can get them online. I'll try and put a product link below. They make such great salad dressing bottles. I use them all the time for all the different salad dressings, and it's just the right amount. So I'm going to pour it into the bottle, and that's how I'm going to store it in the refrigerator. I can make so many different salad dressings with this mayonnaise. There's this one, there is chipotle mayo, there is ranch dressing, Thousand Island, Southwest, and of course you've had the Chick-fil-A or mustard barbecue sauce in a previous video. Caesar dressing. Time to give it a taste test. Oh, I really think that's better than what I remember Caesar dressing tasting like.
You better believe it.
This is so good. So good.
Which would you rather have, the crouton or the entire Caesar salad?
If you found the information in this video useful, like the video, subscribe below, and while you're down there, ring the bell so you'll be notified when I post the Parmesan cheese video that will show you how to make the Parmesan cheese to go with the Caesar dressing 4 different ways. One of them is low fat and one of them is nut-free. So hit that bell below and leave a comment. That always helps a lot. Thank you for watching.